Hi guys, this is Vino back with another video. Today I'll be making red velvet again with a little bit of twist. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Welcome. So this is my oil already in the bowl. I'll be adding in my sugar now. And then I will mix. This cake is fairly a small cake. It's a cake I make for just 6 inches pan, 1/6 inches pan, because I'm the one that will eat it. I'm going to be indulging this time. So I added in 1 egg, and then I mix to combine. Now I'll be adding in my buttermilk, half cup of buttermilk, and I'll be adding in half tablespoon of dark vanilla flavor. Please, I'll be using the same measurement for everything, so don't judge. I'll be using the same measurement spoon. I'm using half tablespoon of color as well. My color is finished, I did not even notice. And half tablespoon of white vinegar as well. And then I'll mix. Look at how red it is. It's now time to add our flour mixture. I will be adding in 3 batches. So that's our dry mixture is just flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and baking powder, and yes, salt. Don't forget to add salt, please. So mix it well combined. I'll be adding in my second batch, and I'll also do the same. Mixed in combined. This is one of the simplest cake to make. Oil-based red velvet cake, and you can make it in 5 minutes. If you are someone that is very fast, it does not take your time at all. That does it take manpower, because you don't need mixer, you don't need an electric beater at all. I'm adding in my last flour now. Look at that indent. Oh my, I'm so clumsy. And I will mix slowly. Please, at this point, you mix slowly, because you don't want to overmix your batter. I did not like the color of my batter, so I added a little bit of powdered color. And then I will mix. I'm pouring it into my pan now. A 6-inch pan. And that's it. Our cake is ready to be put in the oven. I'll bake for 20 to 25 minutes now. Let's wait. So this is our cake out of the oven. I've been cooling for up to 5 minutes in the pan. I'll just overturn it with my plate. Look at that, please. Don't mind me. So if you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button. I said subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that you get alerted every time we post. I'll be posting videos every week. Don't forget to like. Bye.